In a post deleted from Swapmoto and now also on Pulp MX, we're talking about that guy, RJ Hampshire, right there, who obviously 10 years in the class, just won his first Supercross title, already looking to the future of racing outdoors, getting on the 450, racing 450s. And now coming from both of them, supposedly he has, or Swapmoto posted he was likely to miss round one. Then they took the post down. And then on PulpMX, Steve Mathis said, quote, info I got is that Hampshire may have hurt himself today at press day, waiting to hear text from someone close to it as how badly it is or if he's okay. So this puts a gigantic wrench in his plans. I mean, obviously, motocross doesn't really pay the bills. You know, let's be honest, supercross is where all the money is, and that's what really gets you the big factory ride. But if he wanted to look good for supercross, come out, look good for motocross, and then, try and get that 450 factory seat from whoever has a space for him. Obviously, being injured and not being able to be outside, and then you never know. I mean, getting the age he is, how often are you going to have the chance to bring up your own hype? At some point, it's like, okay, we know what he is, but if he starts winning championships 1, 2, 3 in a row, hey, his stock could go up and some team might actually look at him and say, hey, maybe we could give him a ride for a couple years. But if you get injured right before outdoors, that kind of puts a damper on outdoor testing and then moving into supercross testing or any time he can have on the 450, depending on how bad it is, obviously. But I don't know. This is coming from two people. I'd assume probably between Swapmoto and Steve, two reliable sources, let's be honest here. Uh, it's probably more than true, depending on how bad it is, like he said. Um, we'll wait to see. But I don't know. In the comments below, you guys tell me if you heard anything about this. Are you going to the first round? Are you going to any round outdoors? Um, Whatever it is, tell me in the comments below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things that platform allows you to do, or this platform allows you to do, because it does help me out a lot, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.